students, we had been discussing the play, The Proposal by Chekhov. Lomov has visited Chubukov's house to give a marriage proposal. He wants to marry Natalia. After beating about the bush for some time, Lomov ultimately tells Chubukov why he has visited his house. He tells him that he wants to marry Natalia. And what is Chubukov's reaction to this proposal? Chubukov is overjoyed because Lomov is a wealthy landowner and he thinks that Lomov is a perfect match for his daughter. Chubukov enters the house or the inner part of the house to call Natalia. Meanwhile, Lomov is alone in the sitting room, and here Lomov indulges in what is called a soliloquy. A soliloquy is a long speech by a character on the stage. The speech is meant for the audience, but the speech is not meant for the other characters, or other characters will either be absent. For example, here on the stage there is no one but Lomov, or in other cases, other characters may be there, but they will not listen or they will not hear what the person says. And from the soliloquy of Lomov, we get an idea about Lomov. This question will be asked: what idea about Lomov do you get from the soliloquy in Chubukov's sitting room? Lomov was very nervous, excited. He was trembling all over. He compares himself to an examinee just before the examination. The element of uncertainty is bound to shake the most confident examinee. অত্যন্ত আত্মবিশ্বাস সম্পন্ন পরীক্ষার্থীও পরীক্ষার অনিশ্চয়তার জন্য এক ধরনের ভয় বোধ করে। Similarly, Lomov thinks he is going to sit for an exam. He does not know whether Natalia will accept his marriage proposal. Natalia's father has accepted it, but he does not know how Natalia will react to it. Now, what are Lomov's considerations for marrying Natalia? According to Lomov, Natalia has three qualities. She is a very good housekeeper. She can manage the household activities very well. She is not bad looking. That means she is good looking and she is educated. So we get a feudal mindset. A woman is looked upon as a commodity. নারীকে পণ্য হিসেবে দেখা হচ্ছে। The worth of a woman does not lie in her inherent qualities. তার নিজস্ব গুণের উপর তার মূল্য নির্ধারণ হয় না। Her worth is judged by different things. For example, her outer looks, the money her father possesses, whether she can manage the household works. These considerations come into play. So as I have already said, this play reflects the feudal society of Russia, and in a feudal society, the mindset is also feudal. সামন্ততান্ত্রিক সমাজে মানুষের মনের গড়ন হয় সামন্ততান্ত্রিক. So Lomov is no exception. He has a feudal mindset. Then Lomov thinks of himself. Lomov says to himself that for a long time he has hesitated, he has argued, he has looked for ideals in marriages. As a result, his marriage has not taken place. So now Lomov is determined to marry because he has reached a critical stage. What is meant by the term critical stage? I mean critical age. Critical age means an age which is very important. Lomov is already 35. It is high time he got married. Otherwise, when we will marry? He can't marry at the age of 70. So he has reached a critical stage of life. He has reached a very important age. And Moreover, Lomov wants to lead a very quiet and regular life, and with Natalia he dreams of leading a peaceful life. But Lomov suffers from various problems. For example, Lomov suffers from palpitations, that means increased heartbeat. He also suffers from insomnia. What is insomnia? Insomnia means lack of sleep. He cannot sleep at night. He experiences a pull at his side. He experiences muscle spasm, and then there is a twitch in the eyebrow. This is a sign of nervous disorder. If the eyebrow twitches, chokher pataya jodi neche othe, that means it is a nervous disorder. So Lomov suffers from nervous disorders. He cannot sleep at night. He gets up again and again. It can happen 20 times also. Moreover, we have already noted that Lomov is excitable by nature. Excitable, that means he gets easily excited. And he has got very much upset. Upset means he has become very depressed, sorrowful, because he does not know how his marriage proposal would be accepted by Natalia. So Lomov is in this state of mind when Natalia enters the stage. We are coming to that point, and you open your books at page number 120. For the first time in the play, Natalia Stepanovna makes her appearance on the stage. Natalia Stepanovna comes in. Natalia Stepanovna, well there, it's you. And Papa said go, there's a merchant come for his goods. Now note one thing, Natalia is very much astonished, very much surprised to see Lomov. The question is why? Why is Natalia astonished to see Lomov? Had her father not informed her of Lomov's arrival? তার লোমভের আসার কথা কি তার বাবা তাকে বলেননি? Actually, Chubukov had given the piece of news to Natalia in a rather enigmatic way. Enigma means riddle, ধাঁধা, কিছুটা রহস্যময় ভাবে তিনি কথাটা বলেছিলেন. What had Chubukov told Natalia? Chubukov had not told Natalia that Lomov has come to meet you. Rather, he had told Natalia that a merchant had come for his goods. A merchant. Merchant means a businessman. A businessman has come for his goods. A very important line. As I have already said, in a feudal setup, marriage is looked upon as a means for furthering economic interest. সামন্ততান্ত্রিক সমাজে বিবাহকে দেখা হয় নিজের আর্থিক অবস্থা আরো ভালো করার একটা উপায় হিসেবে. Actually, it is not a marriage proposal, it is a business deal. And Chubukov knows it. Chubukov knows very well why Lomov has given this marriage proposal. He knows very well that Lomov has not fallen in love with Natalia, neither has Natalia fallen in love with Lomov. He knows it very well. Still, Chubukov thinks it is a very good proposal because Lomov is a wealthy landowner, and Lomov thinks the proposal is good because Chubukov is a wealthy landowner. So Chubukov humorously tells Natalia that a merchant has come for his goods. Goods means merchandise, পণ্য. একজন ব্যবসাদার এসেছে তার পণ্যের জন্য. That means here Lomov is compared to a businessman because he is very much professional in his approach, and he has not come to give a marriage proposal. Actually, it is a business deal. How do you do, Ivan Vassilevich? And Natalia wanted to know how Lomov was. She inquired after his health. We will end the video here and we'll start the next video.